Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Career Director YouTube channel. I am Anubhav Pataria and this video is regarding the postponement of various exams due to unexpected upsurge in the COVID case across the country. So most of the important exam has been deferred due to rising COVID cases in the country. So I am going to tell you the various 6 most important exam that has been deferred due to rising COVID cases. Okay. So a notice has been announced by the various ministries, the conducting agencies of the various examination regarding the postponement of exam. The first notice that has been announced from CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education, as you can see on the screen. First of all, they have noticed that class 12th exam has been postponed, that were to be held from May 4 to June 14. It has been postponed. New dates shall be announced soon. Talking about class 10th exam that were to be held from 4th May to 7 June are completely cancelled. These exams will not be held, but for class 12th the decision shall be taken after some time. Okay. Talking about the next exam, we have National Testing Agency. This is JEE exam, JEE exam, main exam was to be conducted. This exam was to be held from 27, 28, 20 and 30th of April 2021. And due to COVID cases, rising COVID cases, this exam has also been postponed. The fresh date shall be announced later on by the NTA, National Conducting Agency. This agency conducts the exam for JEE. Okay. Moving forward, the JAIIB exam. This exam is conducted for those who are already working in the banking sector, and this is the additional qualification that these banking professional can acquire. So it's a big exam, but due to COVID cases, this exam has also been deferred, and as you can see on the screen, postponed, and it is likely to be held in June 2021 depending on COVID situation and sanction from authorities. Okay, so looking at the future situation, that final decision shall be taken on the exam. Moving forward towards the next exam, we have NTA, this UGC NET exam. This is a big exam. A lot of students were preparing for this exam, and finally, as we can see, that NTA has deferred this exam also. This exam was to be scheduled from 2nd to 17 May 2021, but now they have said, NTA has said that the revised date for UGC NET December 2020 May 2021 examination will be announced later, and at least 15 days before the examination. So they will notify you before 15 days before the examination. So no need to worry. You just need to continue your preparation. Talking about the next exam we have. Okay, so this is the big exam. A lot of students were waiting for this notice because due to rising COVID cases in the country, a lot of students were facing it difficult to reach the examination venue. But finally, they got this notice, and from 20th April 2021, the CHSL Tier 1 2020 exam has been postponed, and for the balance candidates, those candidates whose exam is not conducted, and their fresh date shall be announced soon by the SSC. So it's a good news for a lot of students. Some say it's a bad news also because some of students were prepared. So yeah, mixed emotions are seen from the students. Okay, talking about the next exam, the sixth exam. Okay, it's a big exam, UPSC EPFO exam. The big exam was to be conducted on 9th of May 2021. As you can see on the screen, the UPSC EPFO exam was to be conducted on May 9, 2021. Stands deferred. This exam is also deferred, and a lot of interviews were also going on in the UPSC. Those comprised of Indian Economic Service exam, Indian Statistical Service exam, and Civil Service Examination interview were going on in the UPSC. But all these interviews are also deferred till further notice. Okay, so all these 6 exams have been deferred. Some of them has been cancelled. So let's wait for the further notice from the concerned authorities so that we can take the further action. But at this point, we need to ensure that we are preparing well, we are completely committed to our studies and strengthening our skills, strengthening our studies, so that once the fresh dates are announced, we'll be able to do our best in the forthcoming examination. Don't worry students, soon we will be getting the new dates for all these examination, and you will be able to appear in this examination and do your best. Okay, thank you so much. Like the video and subscribe to the Career Director channel. Thank you so much.